Hello and welcome to another video in Stats and Tech, where we go over the technology that can be used in the statistics courses that you may be taking at your university or your college. Okay, today we're going to have an introduction to Excel. So with Microsoft Excel, you can calculate some things that are in the statistics course, making sure you have the right settings. All right, so under data, you should see some kind of analysis feature that says data analysis right here. If it says analysis tools, that means you have not downloaded the pack that you can actually access your analysis for this course. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to File. Under Options, we're going to go down to Add-ins. And at this point, you're going to look at different kinds of applications that Microsoft offers, but we're going to look at the Analysis Toolpak VBA. Analysis Toolpak VBA. Toolpak Analysis Toolpak can be added as well. I think it's missing a few things. And I've been working on this solver add-in. And I'm not quite sure if I want to implement it. So you may want to go ahead and download it now. Maybe I'll implement it a little later. All right, so VBA functions for Analysis Toolpak. It may look a little different based on your version of Microsoft Excel, whether you're using it on a Mac or a non-Mac device. All right, you're going to click Go down here in the bottom. See where it's green, Go. And you're going to click the tools that you want to implement. So the Solver Add-in, Analysis Toolpak, Toolpak VBA. I think I did both of those at first. And then you're going to click OK. And then I'm going to click Cancel for me. Click OK. And then you should see the data analysis up here, up top at the screen. All right, so this is going to set you up in order to be able to calculate some data or run the data analysis on the data that you are entering in this classroom. Okay, so Microsoft Excel can be used as well as Sheets. Sheets does not have this data analysis feature at the time of this recording, but maybe they'll get the hint and add a data analysis feature. But if you're using Sheets, you're going to have to actually go in and use our function button in order to set things up and calculate. Okay? Until next time.